Are you ready to unleash the power of your wallet and take control of your future? Welcome, dear viewers, to a path that will lead you towards financial freedom. In this era, where every penny counts, mastering the art of personal finance isn't a choice, it's a necessity. It's your ticket to a life free from the chains of debt and a future that's not just secure, but also prosperous. Today, we'll be unearthing transformative lessons in personal finance that could be the game changers you've been waiting for. These lessons aren't just theories, they're practical. They've stood the test of time. And above all, they're actionable. The moment to take charge of your financial destiny is here. So are you ready to learn, to grow, and to transform? If yes, then let's not wait another second. Dive in and let your journey towards financial enlightenment commence. Picture this, a lady named Penny Pincher, who lived every day as if it was her last paycheck. Penny was your typical 9-to-5er. She worked hard, but her wallet didn't seem to reflect her efforts. Every month, like clockwork, Penny's paycheck would arrive, only to be swallowed by a sea of bills and impulsive purchases. There was always something shiny that caught her eye, a new dress, the latest smartphone, or an exotic vacation. Penny was living in the moment, but she was also living paycheck to paycheck. She often found herself running out of money before the month's end, and this cycle continued. Until one day, she found herself in a financial rut. Penny's story is a stark reminder of the importance of saving, budgeting, and living within your means. It's not about depriving yourself of life's pleasures, but about making smart financial decisions. Remember, the first step towards financial stability is living within your means. Now, meet Risky Richard, a thrill seeker who always played with fire when it came to investments. Richard was one who believed in the mantra, no risk, no reward. He would throw caution to the wind, putting all his money into high-risk investments, hoping for big returns. But, as the saying goes, the bigger they are, the harder they fall. Richard's strategy worked for a while. There were times when he hit the jackpot and felt on top of the world. But there were also times when he lost it all. The roller coaster ride of his financial journey was a hard lesson on the importance of understanding risk. Richard's story is a stark reminder that while risk can lead to great rewards, it can also lead to great losses. The key is balance. It's about understanding your tolerance for risk and diversifying your investments. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket. Like Richard, never gamble with your money. Diversify your investments. Enter debt-ridden David, a man who was always under a mountain of debt. Now, David wasn't a reckless spender, nor was he living beyond his means. But like many, he found himself entrapped in the vicious cycle of debt. Credit card bills piled up, student loans loomed large, and a car loan added to his financial stress. David's life became a constant struggle, juggling multiple debts, dealing with creditors, and living paycheck to paycheck. The stress was overwhelming. It seemed like a never-ending saga of obligations and repayments. But here's the thing, David's story isn't unique. Many find themselves in a similar predicament, burdened by debts that seem insurmountable. The key, however, is to prioritize debt repayment and avoid unnecessary debts. It's not an easy journey, but it's a necessary one. Remember, debt can be a vicious cycle. Break free by prioritizing repayment and avoiding unnecessary debts. It's the first step towards financial freedom and a life unburdened by financial stress. Lastly, meet Ernest Emma, a woman who understood the value of every penny earned. Emma was not born into wealth. She was an average Jane, working a 9-to-5 job and living paycheck to paycheck. But Emma had a vision. She knew she wanted more from life than just surviving. She began by dissecting her income. She asked herself, where is my money coming from? How can I increase it? She realized that relying on a single source of income was risky. So, she decided to diversify. She invested time in learning new skills, side hustles, and even tried her hand at investing. Over time, Emma saw her income gradually increase, not just from her day job, but from multiple sources. She was no longer living paycheck to paycheck. She was thriving. Her journey taught us a valuable lesson. Invest in your skills. Multiple income streams can lead to financial independence, Every person, every story shared today carries a precious lesson. It's time to wrap up our journey of personal finance wisdom and distill the gold nuggets of knowledge we've gleaned from our four protagonists. First, we met Penny Pincher, whose story taught us the importance of saving. Remember, every cent counts. Small, consistent savings can snowball into a substantial nest egg over time. Penny's tale reminds us to be mindful of our spending and to cultivate the habit of saving. Next, we ventured into Risky Richard's world. His tale was a reminder that while taking financial risks can lead to great rewards, it's crucial to weigh these risks carefully. Always do your homework before making a significant decision. Then, we delved into the saga of debt-ridden David. His story was a stark warning of the potential pitfalls of debt. It underscored the importance of living within our means and managing debt wisely. Remember, debt can be a useful tool when used responsibly, but it can become a crippling burden if left unchecked. Finally, we followed the journey of Ernest Emma. Her story highlighted the power of financial education and planning. Knowledge truly is power, and in the realm of personal finance, it's the key to unlocking financial freedom and security. These narratives, each unique and compelling, hold a common thread: the importance of financial literacy. Understanding how money works, practicing good money habits, and planning for the future can set the stage for financial stability and independence. Every story, every lesson presented today serves as a stepping stone on the path to financial enlightenment. They remind us that personal finance isn't just about numbers and balance sheets. It's about making informed decisions that pave the way for a secure and fulfilling life. Now, a question for you. Which of these stories resonated with you the most and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening videos like this.